Hi guys, this is my first video today. I'm going to be filming identity fraud. Let's get into it.
Hey everyone, go subscribe to me, Aaron Ramirez. Please do thank me. I have 24 subscribers. Can we at least get to 30 before my birthday? In 2 weeks.
Are you going to join?
Yeah.
Let's press play.
I'm joining right now.
Alright, skip. Alright.
How?
What's that?
Oh my. What are you trying to do? Kill me?
Oh, that's because that was there. That was right there. I'm going to look it in the eyes.
Hello there, Mr. Separate Eyes.
Oh.
Dead end.
I should have never saw that. That dude's creepy though.
I know. Josh, where are you?
You press Q, yeah. So I know. Yeah. Alright, you're in, but we just have to look for each other.
I have an orange square.
That's another dead end.
Oh,
No.
I'm at a dead end.
Alright, there's a corn.
Where are you at?
I don't know, I'm just trying to find the way out.
I'm just trying to look for corners.
You gotta look for the other maze. But the other mazes are... You gotta... It's like... Oh, there we go. So I know that I've been here.
Look for orange circles on the floor.
Okay.
I've been placing them.
Mine are white.
Yours are white? Alright.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. It sucks I can't go out. Alright. Okay, there's another turn. And this,
wait,
that
where?
turn and that turn.
Oh.
Let's take this turn.
There we go. Take that turn.
This turn.
That one, yeah.
And boop. And we're gonna have to go to a dark place. I don't know where to put them dark.
Oh.
Have you found a white one?
No. But I found that dude.
Oh, that dude's creepy.
I know.
Oh, another turn. Fantastic. I found a green one.
Nice.
Oh, wait, is that? Is that? Wait, what's over
Someone's
here?
dead body.
Huh?
I don't know.
It's probably a glitch. They glitch when they place him down?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! Run!
I'm at a dead end. Wait. I was where you were at. When you first played, John. I'm at the dead end.
Oh! No!
You died?
I don't know who that guy was.
The boys.
Wow. The boys. I spawned right back where I was.
Please get Joshua to 20 subscribers for the boys,
To make a YouTube channel, The Boys.
Yeah.
I forgot where I turned. Did I turn over
For
here?
the boys.
Yeah, I turned over here. That dude is creepy though. Turn that down, please.
Bell. Get a medium large stream. Bruh.
Oh yeah, I was here. Yeah, look, yeah, I was here. Did I turn this way?
I don't know.
No, I went
But I'm
forward.
a dead end.
I think I went forward.
Hey, yo. Go back there.
It's probably that creepy dude that killed me.
Oh, probably.
It was probably Ghost from the Samurai.
We need to call Ghost Adventures.
Ghost Adventure. Who are you gonna call? Oh, he's right there. He's right there.
Oh, Josh, you're screwed.
What do you want from me?
He wants your sword. Ah, see you dead.
What? That dude's... Damn, bruh. I'm gonna get my payback on that dude.
Alright, where are you at?
I found a purple one.
I wish I was purple, but that's not me though.
Which one? What color are you again?
Orange.
Okay, orange. Now for orange. I had to place that down. Turn that down, please. There's a mirror. When you see the mirror, you're going the right way.
That one. It's that
This
one.
way. Wait, I need to place one down here.
I think I've been going in a circle.
I think I have too, but I spawned in a different
yep.
hole.
I've been going in a circle.
Ah, man. It's just hard to get away from the monsters in this maze.
I know.
No, really?
No.
Oh. What happened, dude? Did you get surgery? Oh, no, that's a monster.
How do you know?
Because if it walks straight, like, you know, like straight,
Yeah.
and then turns like in the corner, like straight, that was a monster.
Hey, yo, I'm following this dude now. Forget it.
If he's walking straight, don't follow him. 'Cause at the end, he's gonna
Nice.
start killing you. I kind of want to see what's over here, though.
Nah, I'm following the red-eyed creature.
Red-eyed? Really? You're just gonna get yourself killed by the samurai.
Oh, apparently he's leading me to the correct location. Man, 6 feet apart.
I was already here. And you be getting the Gatorade. Alright. Oh, damn.
Josh, found you.
What do you want, bro?
That's you.
No. Get away from me.
That's you.
Stop. Get away from me.
Why?
I said get away from me. Pervert.
Oh no. I ran into that one guy. I kept on killing you.
Oh. Just try getting. Oh, this way. Stop it. Let's go another way.
No.
Pervert. Stalker.
Josh?
What?
Please help.
How do you run fast?
clown. I'm running. I
How do you
ran
run?
into the clown.
How do you run?
I'm not running. I ran into the clown. Told you. I ran into the clown.
Bruh. Stop. Get away from me, kid.
Yo, stay. Josh, I found your white spots.
You did? Follow them.
Wait. Stay where you are. Stay where you're at. Stay near the mirror.
Apparently looks like I came back to the same place. Ooh, look at me. Look nice.
See if I...
Oh no! Look at that body!
I saw that. I'm looking at your skin and I saw that. Napa.
Hey, what's up,
Hey,
fool? Scrub!
Yeah.
Scrub!
Some thoughts.
Let's do a fight, bro.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's do it. Scrub!
Circle head.
Dumb
Bro,
boy.
we're just going in the same circle.
I know we are, but I know there's a couple turns.
Bro, I was just here. You already went that way.
Yeah,
Let's go.
it was no fun.
This way. Okay, the guy's over there.
What guy?
The red-eye creature monster.
Let me see.
Ooh. Hey, who said you could be in front of me?
Myself.
you
Oh, look,
can't.
there's a turn.
Huh?
Oh, there's a turn. And it led to the effing mirror.
Alright, let's go this way.
I already went that way.
Okay, let's go.
Th-
Wait. I
there's a
just
new
came
way.
from that way.
Oh, look at me. It's a beautiful me.
What do you mean? Sexy me. I got the muscles. Yeah.
No, me.
That'd be in the
sex.
military. Alright, let's go this
No,
way.
there's a,
That's
it's
a
a
dead
dead end. Why is it so hard to escape from here?
I don't know. We're going in a circle.
No, if this is that way, we'll just keep going this way. Cause this thing,
Boom. I put down a marker.
I did too.
Like that. There we go.
Okay, look, we're going the right way. We gotta find someone that knows this maze. Bro, we're just going in circles.
Let's go this way. Let's turn.
You're in front of me, boy. Let me go in front.
Let's turn.
Let me go in front. I need to win.
And turn.
Damn it, you blocked me.
And turn.
I knew you were gonna turn, boy. I was gonna put one on you,
Cool.
but I don't think you can. Yours are orange?
Yeah, I'm an orange.
Well, I've been finding orange and... Damn it, I need to go in front of you. Boy, I'm gonna arrest you for suing me.
I'm suing you for suing me.
No, I'm suing you for looking at me.
Cool, did I ask? No.
Is that door that way? Let's go forward first. Oh, I guess.
Who's that at the end? Go back, Joe. Go.
Who is it?
It's the clown. It's the clown. No, boys. I'm out. Come next week.
Go this way.
He's after you now.
No,
Touch that. No, touch.
Not today, boy. I'm not dying today.
Oh, you're already dead.
No!
Yeah, I was looking at your screen.
I'm gonna sue you for killing me.
Bro, look at your screen.
Oh,
All I
what
see is
the-
me.
Let's see. Noob. And you. Sorry. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll keep it down. Not someone who killed you. This dude kind of sus, though. This dude kind of sus. He's kind of green sus.
Wow. Green's always sus.
Yeah. Green's always
Alright,
sus.
now I can never trust you, Josh.
Me?
Yeah, because it clowns you now.
What? I mean, I'm not walking straight. I can literally just go like this for you to know that it's me. Try to go back to the place that you were at.
That's what I'm trying to. I forgot where I was going. I was just turning towards
You should have followed me, stupid.
Bro, the
Stupid.
clown was still right behind me.
Do you turn this way?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a hacker dude.
Hacker?
Yeah, Mr. Hacker.
Oh, wait.
Hey, what's up, I said?
I know where we're at. I know where I'm at.
Okay, you better. If you're at the gate, don't open the door yet without me.
Oh, I cannot find the gate.
Has 15 minutes passed?
Hmm?
Has 15 minutes.
Check.
That's the clown right there, bro.
Go
That's,
up to it. Go up to it.
who are you, bro? He's an imposter, bro.
You're stupid.
Everybody run. Run. Black sus. Black's
Black
kind of sus. Black's kind of sus, though. What are you doing? If I start running, that means because the clown's after me. I made a sharp turn.
Check how much time you have left.
Oh, yeah, you're right. How do you know? Yeah, I'm at 12 minutes.
Oh, yeah, you got 3 more minutes.
Alright, guys. This is where I'm gonna have to leave off. Because the time's almost over. So, catch you guys on the other video. Boop. Bye.
Turn back.